In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Shopify header in a quick and straightforward tutorial. As you know, the header is a crucial part of your Shopify store. It's the first thing visitors see and often includes essential navigation elements. Getting this right is key to ensuring a seamless user experience. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your home base where you manage everything related to your store. Once you're there, locate and click on Online Store from the menu on the left-hand side. The Online Store section is where you can manage the look and feel of your storefront. Next, look for the Customize button, which you'll find next to the theme you're currently using. Clicking on this button will take you to the theme editor. This editor is incredibly useful as it allows you to make custom changes to your store's appearance without needing to delve into any code. Once in the theme editor, you'll want to click on the element named Highlight. The Highlight section is typically reserved for drawing attention to key parts of your site, and it includes components like the header. Clicking here will enable you to edit various elements that will make your header stand out. Now, move over to the Announcement bar. This is a feature many store owners leverage to communicate important information to customers, such as free shipping offers or new product launches. Click on it to adjust content and style to fit your brand's communication strategy. Continuing in the theme editor, the next area to explore is the Utilities tab. While it might not seem directly linked to the header, this section often contains styling adjustments that can impact your header, so it's worth reviewing these settings to align with your brand aesthetics. Lastly, direct your attention to Theme Settings. This panel offers a global overview of your store's visual settings, allowing you to tweak the style and functionality of elements that appear site-wide, including your header. From typography to color schemes, Theme Settings is where you can ensure everything is cohesive and matches the rest of your brand. And there you have it. Editing your Shopify header is as simple as navigating through these sections and making your desired changes. Remember, it's all about consistency and clear navigation for your visitors. With these steps, your Shopify store's header will not only look great, but also serve as an effective tool to guide your customers. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps make your store a touch more polished and user-friendly.